Good morning, everybody. I'd like to say thank you to the nearly 1,000 people who have subscribed to us here on our YouTube channel. But we want to make sure everybody knows that this YouTube channel is actually a part of a larger Star Trek modeling community. This YouTube channel is actually sponsored and put together by allscaletrek.com. So this is one of the largest forums that's dedicated to Star Trek modeling. Now, just like the name implies, allscaletrek.com is about all of the different scales that Star Trek model kits are made in. So we have everything from the really big 1/350th models. If you like the big models, you can check out that forum and see tons of threads about the 1/350th Katinga, the refit, the NX-01. If you like big models, this is the forum for you. Now, if you like smaller models, you might like the 1/2500 scale forum. So this is what we call the sacred scale, just because you can get so many different models in the 1/2500th. There are some absolutely incredible builds done in 1/2500ths that have been focused on and featured in this forum. But maybe you like the gaming scale and you want to take a look at gaming pieces. We have a forum for that. If you like all the box scale kits, the 537 refits, the Reliance, the Runabouts, the Voyager kits, we have a forum dedicated to those. Now, allscaletrek.com has been around for 8 years, and in that time, none of the threads have been purged. None of them have been removed. So there is just an incredible history to these scales. If you look at the 1/2500th scale forum, you'll see there's close to 1,000 different threads and posts. So any model you can think of, you'll be able to go to this forum and find a dozen builds that have been done about it. So you can see how different people have done their models. We have a wonderful section for people who are new to the modeling community or just to the Star Trek modeling community, where you can get help or ask different questions. You'll be able to see links to all of our different reviews that we've done on this YouTube channel and their reviews that we have only done on the forum. We have also done contests from time to time, and we have sections on tips and tricks for people who may not be new but are still looking to build up their skills. Now, you don't have to register to start checking out allscaletrek.com. But if you want to start putting some of your builds and make work in progress threads of your own, then you'll have to go ahead and register. And we'd love to see more and more people register and use the forum. One great advantage to the forum as opposed to doing things on Facebook, on Facebook they have this crazy algorithm that buries things and moves some things to the top, and it can be hard to follow different builds. If you find a build you like on allscaletrek.com, it's very easy to follow that build. So we are thrilled if you've been following our builds on YouTube. We're thrilled if you have found us on our Facebook group page. But we would just absolutely love it if you guys would join us over on our actual forum, allscaletrek.com. Really, it is a mecca for Star Trek model builders, and we would love to see you there.